Focus. It's skin. We need some focus. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have literally just gotten out of the shower. As you can see, I've got wet hair. I'm really tired, and like with all this coronavirus stuff, currently quarantining. So I thought, why not take a bit of care of my skin during this time and actually really like focus on, oh my god, focus on some skincare. So recently, to be honest, my skin has just been breaking out a bit. It's like time of the month, and I think I'm just quite stressed. Like you can see it there, even like just been breaking out. I thought I would do a quick skincare routine with Bea Skin Care. Basically, my mum's been using this stuff religiously, and her skin has been amazing. Like her skin has just been so much brighter, like radiating, and like so. I'm really excited to try this stuff. To try these products. It's a 5-step skincare routine, and I'll obviously do it with you guys. I've never used it before, but I'm really excited to use it on camera, and hopefully show you guys an update as well. Hopefully we'll be like out of the house and not self-isolating by then, and everything would have calmed down a bit. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm actually using her cognac, I'm so bad at this, but whatever, cognac sponge. It's a vitamin infused one, and basically these are meant to be antibacterial, so they're actually better for your skin than using any of those like exfoliating gloves or the like brush head things, the electric ones. I used to use those all the time, and she said to me like, this is so much better as antibacterial. Those kind of keep all the bad bacteria still on there, so this actually gets rid of it. Step 1, the gentle exfoliating cleanser, and I'm just gonna put a few pumps right onto here. It feels super light. Like I feel like this is not going to irritate or aggravate my skin at all. I love this. I actually love this. This feels good. It feels really good. Okay, so just rinse that off with warm water, and already my skin feels like quite tight, but in like a really nice and like clean way. It feels super clean and just feels really good. Do you guys go through like phases of like being so good with skincare and then like just completely not doing it for ages? That's me. I'm that person. I'm inconsistent, Eliza. My like main thing for me is always my dark circles, and like it even took a lot for me to come on YouTube with like, dark circles. I know they used to actually be a lot worse, but they go through their own sort of phases as well, and they're good and they're bad. So having a really good eye serum is like so important to me. So just on one pump, my finger. I'm just going to dab this under my eyes. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. So this has got retinol, which I hear is like so good for like just keeping your skin really young. And it's got vitamin B, apple stem cells. All sounds good to me, honestly. So the third step is the vitamin C 20%. I'm so bad at stuff like this. Hyaluronic, oh my god, hyaluronic. Vitamin C 20% hyaluronic acid serum. I love the packaging as well. Like all looks so good. So I'm just gonna do another pump of this on my finger. I love these vitamin C serums. I think they work so well. My skin literally feels amazing already. Okay, we've got step 4. Step 4 is the firming serum. So this skincare routine is super serum oriented, and I think the point of that is just to really give your skin everything that it's missing and more. And I feel like the only way you can really get that is through serums. Firming serum on. Just these little dots on my face. Oh my god, this feels so good. I can't wait to be one of those girls that just leaves the house wearing serum. Just put on this firming serum and head out. No makeup, no concealer. I see it. That is my future with this stuff. I can tell. I can tell. I keep knocking over this camera, so it's good. Okay, so to the last and final step. It is the step 5, collagen complex cream. I love these little tubs of cream. Like, if I see a cream in this in this tub, I'm like, yeah, that's a good cream. I'm sold. I am sold. I always don't pay enough attention to my forehead. I think that's why I've been breaking out a bit on my forehead. Okay, so that is the 5-step skincare routine with Bea Skin Care, and I have to say I love it, and I'm super excited to do an update on this. I'm gonna try and do it for 3 weeks or a month, maybe a month, 30 days, and see how my skin's looking. So this is day 1. And my skin actually feels amazing, so nourished, so much moisture in there. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, follow my socials. Maybe I'll make a TikTok because they look really fun right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.